All right. So we have programming principles that I want to look at. All right. So whenever you hear programming principle, that means there are principles that govern how something works. Is okay? So knowing a couple of principles can replace knowledge of many facts. So the first programming principle says that in the Java programming language, each command is written on its own line. All right. So a semicolon must be placed at the end of a command. Does this make sense? Right? Like the command that you just wrote, that system.out
Yeah.
print line, then open and close bracket, then whatever stuff was inside is a command. So programming principle says that what after you've written a command, you must follow it up with a what colon. Is that making sense?
Okay.
All right. So that
Yes, sir.
semicolon is not just there. There's a reason why it's there. Just like we've seen, suppose we want to display programming is fun on the screen 3 times. That means we'll now have 3 commands. Is that not? So the first command is system.out, print lane, Java programming is fun, then followed by a semicolon, and you have to do that 3 times. Is that right? Are you
Yes,
guys
sir.
getting what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's just go to my IntelliJ so that we'll just look at it together. So this is my IntelliJ. I'm going to clean up all this now. So I'm just going to wipe it off. And I have this. So I'm just going to clean off this. So I just want to show us how we can like print 3 lines of text, although we've seen it before, but we just need to be on the same page. So here you have Java programming is fun. So Java programming is fun, right? So this on its own is a single line of what? Command, right? So if I want it to print on the next line, I'll just have to duplicate the whole of this. So you can copy and paste, so writing it out again, right? Now, if I want to still write it on another line, I can just copy and paste it here so that eventually when I run this, it's going to give me 3 lines of what? Code. All right, look at that thing I was telling you that it's building at the background. So it's compiling the code and it will be displayed once done. Okay.
Sir, after this, after Java, are we gonna learn video editing also?
Yes, I think we agreed on that during our last class. So
Okay.
look at it now. We'll be able to write 3 lines of code. Is okay. So using this command.
Sir, mine doesn't accept commands after the 12th line of code.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Why is that? I can have several. It's check this curly braces.
Java reached the end of file while parsing.
So can you just share your screen? Let me see what it's talking about. Can you expand your screen? Expand your screen. All right. Now look at the first curly braces for the class. Public class main. Okay, it's supposed to enclose that for the method. So where your cursor is blinking now, add a closing curly bracket there. Is all right. Just hit enter, then add the closing curly bracket. Great. So I see in the yellow is now closing up. Is all right. So you can try running it now.